Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today we're going to be installing a JB4 on a G80 M3. Not mine, but one that's here at the shop today. We'll get into the details. Let's get to it. All right, everyone, so as you see right here, we are going to be installing the JB4 on the S58 M3. We got Brian, the technician, right here. He's going to be doing the install, and should be pretty good, man. He's already got these custom MSR intakes, as you guys are seeing, their front mount. And I'm actually going to do a review on this car very soon, so if y'all want to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel so we'll be able to get that, so you'll be able to see exactly what's on this car, because it's got some goodies on it, definitely. All right, everyone, so to go ahead and begin, we're gonna go ahead and take off the strut bar. Got 13, and I think it's a 15, 13 and a 15 for the strut bar. Super simple. All right, so another thing they tell you to do is remove the negative terminal from the battery, which you guys can kind of see right down through here. So it's gonna be underneath the back part of your car in your trunk. So you remove that, and then you can remove the negative terminal. So they do require you to do that for the JB4 instructions. All right, everyone, so we're gonna go ahead and work on the map sensor right here that's hooked to the intake manifold. It says per the instructions you're supposed to hook the rainbow wire. Really wish that probably that one looks like Skittles. So I really wish they probably would just label these, maybe like an A, B, C, D, make it a lot easier. All right, so right now we're gonna run the wires from the actual JB4 module, which is back here, which I'll show you, and then we're gonna run the wires right through this little hole right here. Give it a clean install. All right, now to get the next sensor, we're gonna need to, if you had the stock system, you just remove the stock airbox, but this car has an aftermarket system, as you guys can tell. So we're gonna actually have to move these pipes to actually get to the next sensor. All right, everyone, so you see this little piece right there that's moving on the screen. There's a 10 millimeter right there, and you remove it. And then once you remove it, you're able to get a little more room so you can get that sensor that's all the way at the bottom down here. So I'll put a picture of it on the screen right now, because sometimes it's a little tough to show on video. There's not a lot of room to get a camera down in there, but you got to get all the way down in there. There's a sensor all the way down at the bottom. This is probably the toughest part of the job, so it definitely sucks. All right, everyone, so we're working on trying to get this lower sensor in, and it is the black and brown wire that goes on that one, and it is a pain. You guys can kind of see we're just kind of working it, trying to make it work. Not a lot of room to get it done, but we're trying. All right, everyone, so we got the sensors down there plugged in. The next ones are going to be on the both wastegates. So the both wastegates for the turbos, because it's a twin turbo. So you got one that's going to be on this turbo, which one turbo is right here, and the other one's kind of more so down in the front, down in there. So you hook one of these plugs to that one, the other plug goes down there. All right. All right, everyone, so you can kind of see right there on my screen, that's where one of the wastegate sensors are, and the other one, as you see, is right here. So right here, let me get a better look for you guys right there. So that's one of them right there, and you'll put the JB4 plug into that, and then the bypass plug go right there, and then the other one bypass plug is right here. And then you got your other plug right down there. So cool. So the only plug that's a pain is the one that's all the way down there. Now it's time to hook up the Bluetooth module to the JB4 module. All right, everyone. So in order to plug this is the OBD connection right here in my hand. So you have to run it through underneath here. So I'm gonna try to grab this angle for you guys, but kind of had to punch through up there. It's kind of tough to see, but I will definitely get you guys a picture so you can kind of see where it goes through, and then I'll show you on the other side what it looks like. So right through here, you can see, hold on, let me get a good, you can kind of see this hole kind of right here, and that's where you punch through at, so you can run the wire through. And you can kind of see it moving right now because he's actually back there. So it's gonna be, let me see if I can get it right there. That's a hole you can punch through, so you can run the OBD connection. All right, everyone, so what we're gonna do right now, we're opening up the JB4. So it's just some regular Allen screws right there. So we're opening that up so we can get all the connections to the JB4 box. So this right here is what the inside of the JB4 looks like. Looks pretty cool. All right, guys, so we got the Bluetooth plug already connected right there, as you guys can kind of see. All right, everyone, so I actually messed up on the recording on this part, but since this is the JB4 Bluetooth Connect kit, as I stated, this has the unpinned power, so you will need to, we already opened this closure. After you install the plug into the actual board, as we've already shown, you will need to take that blue cord and you'll need to pin it to one of the wires. I'm showing here on the screen the instructions that JB4 has. They say insert the Connect kit's blue wire through the rubber grommet on the JB4 connector side, and then they give you this posy tap to actually tap into one of the wires to get some power to that module, and then that's what's going to give power to the Connect kit, so it can connect via Bluetooth and get the transmission to your phone or whatever device you're going to be using to communicate with the JB4. So this is the instructions that they have here. Definitely follow those and you should be good to go. All right, everyone, so the JB4 is mounted right here with some 3M tape. We got it secure, so now we're in the process of just cleaning everything up. We're going to zip tie some of the wires, get them out of the way, get everything cleaned up. So when we come back, I'll be able to show you what the final results look like, and to show you exactly where we mounted everything and zip tied everything down. All right, everyone, so everything is installed and back together. So the lines are being run through here, kind of running them through here. Got some zip ties going on, everything's connected. Got some zip ties going on here, connected down here, and then also connected right down here. So we're good to go. Now it's time to put this car on the dyno.